Hi, my name is Fitzgerald, and I'm currently at the College La Salle School to finish my degree on Special Education Technician. And why I'm here today is because I saw your application on Indeed that your school was looking for a new Special Education Technician. So that's why I'm here today. So basically, the reason why I think I'm a good candidate for the position is that I enjoy working with kids. And I used to work in a summer camp before, and I loved it. And some of my kids, no, sorry, some of my children that I have had behavior problem, and at the time I didn't have the tools to help them, and that's why I went to study to become a special education technician to be able to help those children, and give back to the community. And that's the reason why I'm here today. I would like to apply for the job. Thank you very much.